Hey guys, Tech Commentary with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to force restart or reset your iPhone 15 Pro Max or any of the 15 series that you have on the latest iOS version. Now, force restart is a very first troubleshooting step Apple recommends when it comes to your iPhone not working correctly, touch isn't working, screen is frozen, phone is glitching, whatever software related issue that you have, you want to do a force restart, and it's completely safe because it will not delete any of your personal data. So let's get started. Now, in order to do a force restart, first thing is you're going to locate the volume up and volume down button right here. We're going to press and release the volume up, followed by press and release the volume down quickly, one after another. Finally, come over to the right hand side and hold this big side button until the screen goes completely black. Once you see the Apple logo up here, you'll let go of that button. So in real time, volume up, volume down, and then this side button. Again, make sure you press and release the volume up, followed by press and release the volume down quickly, and then keep on holding that side button. As you can see, don't let it go until you see the Apple logo appear. So we're going to keep on waiting, and then once I see the Apple logo, I just release my finger off that side button, and it's doing a force restart. And sometimes you might have to do it a few times to get it right, because you have to make sure that you press the volume up and volume down quick enough. If Siri activates, that means you didn't press volume up and down quick enough. So keep on doing it, and then hold that side button and be a little patient for it to go completely black and you see the Apple logo appear. And this method is completely safe, will not delete any of your personal data. All it does is shuts down the phone completely and then reloads the software. So if there's a glitch with the software or there's a bug, it will most likely fix it, and your iPhone should be good to go. And that's how you do a force restart or reset on your iPhone 15 Pro Max or any of the iPhone on the latest iOS version. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.